In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a triangle about a point. Here we have triangle DEF and a point outside of the triangle called the center of rotation. To begin with, we place our compass on the center of rotation and we measure to one of the vertices of the triangle, point D, and here we can make a circle. Then we're going to proceed by making two more circles. One with radius PE and the other one with radius PF. So what we're going to do now is rotate this triangle, and as we do it, each one of the vertices will follow its own path around point P. So D will travel on the inner circle, point E on the middle circle, and point F on the outer circle. So we could just place an image point anywhere. How about if I just put point F prime here? Okay. To find the other 2 points, we have to remember that rotation is a rigid motion, which means it preserves congruence. That means the image triangle that we produce over here will be congruent to the original triangle. So then I could just measure the sides. Side FE with my compass, I measure it, and then rotate it. So point F will travel on the outer circle, point E on the inner circle, and once I arrive at point F prime, I can just mark off where E prime would be. And then I can do the same thing for point D. F to D is this far. And then we're going to rotate. So rotate F to F prime, and D will be here. Now I can draw the triangle, and you will see that it's the same size and shape. It is congruent to the original. And we can continue this process. You could put point F prime or point the next image point, let's call it F double prime, anywhere. How about here? So point F prime traveling to F double prime. That's going to be 2 tick marks. Well, this length, F prime to E prime, will have to be the same. So we're just going to rotate to find E double prime. Do the same thing for point D prime to D double prime. Rotate it. So you can see that 1 point travels on the outer circle and 1 point travels on the inner circle. Mark it off. And there we have it, another congruent triangle.